Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with Python functions. Whenever we talk about the functions means we are basically making a module or splitting a big program into small parts. That small part is known as module, or you can call it as a function. A group of statements within a program that perform a specific task that is known as function. Usually one task of a large program function can be executed in order to perform overall program task known as divide and conquer approach. In this we will divide a program into small parts, and that small part is known as function. Whenever we talk about the function definition, basically definition means we will define the process of the function, what are the tasks to be performed by the function, and what are the sequence of statements that will be executed within a function. It is a line of code that are executed sequentially from top to bottom by the Python interpreter. They are the most important building block for any software in Python. Basically, we can categorize the functions into three parts. First is module, second is built-in, and third is user-defined function. Whenever we talk about the module, it is a file containing Python definition, that is the function and statement. Standard library of the Python is extended as module to a programmer. Definition from the module can be used within the code of program. To use these modules in the program, a programmer needs to import the module. Now, when we want to import a module, there are two types. First is by using import statement, and second is using from statement. For example, if we want to import any of the library, we have to any of the module, we have to write the syntax that is import then by the module name. For example, if I'm saying import math, that means I can use the functions that are defined within a math library into our program. For example, math dot square root within bracket 25. It will calculate the square root of 25 by using math library, and the value will be 5. Second method is from statement. We have to write from module name, then import function name, that is the first method, or we can use from module name import asterisk. By using asterisk, we can import all the functions of a particular module. From math import sqrt. There is a no need to use dot sign. We can on math module, to write it again, we can directly write value is equals to square root within bracket 25. It will calculate the square root of 25 and store it into the variable value. Various math functions are ceil x. It will return the smallest integer that is greater than or equals to x. For example, if we are writing print mat.ceil 3.4, it will print output as 4. Whereas floor return returns the largest integer that is less than or equals to x. For example, mat.floor minus 45.17, it will give output minus 46.0. And if I write mat.floor 100.12, it will give 100.0. And if we write mat.floor 100.72, again it will give the lowest value, that is 100. Next is power function. Through this, we can calculate the power of x raised to power y. For example, if we write mat.pow 3, 3, it will calculate 3 raised to power 3, that is 27. If we write mat.pow 100 raised to power minus 2, it will give output 0.0001. If we write mat.pow 2 raised to power 4, it will calculate and give you the output 16.0. And mat.power 3, 0, it will calculate 3 raised to power 0, that will be 1. Next is fabs, absolute value in the floating point. Returns the absolute value, that is positive value of the expression or number. Import math.fabs within bracket minus 15, it will return 15.0. Square root, if we want to calculate square root of any number, we can simply write mat.sqrt within bracket 25, it will calculate the square root of 25. Similarly, log 10 within bracket x returns the base minus 10 logarithm of x. Import math.log 10 within bracket 100, it will return true. Next, cos x, it will calculate the cos value, but it returns the cosine of x in radian. For example, import math.cos 3, it will give you the value minus 0.98999249660044554. Sin x, it will return the sine of x in radian. Similarly, tan x, it will returns the tangent of x in radian.